What company could have made you absolute bank and still has a lot of potential upside? Stick around to find out. Hey everyone, Stock Ninja here. Welcome back to Who Beat the S&P 500. In today's episode, we have a company in the communications sector that has beaten the S&P over the last 20 years. Let's see if it's still worth buying today. Founded in 1979, today's company is the youngest so far in our series, but don't let that fool you. This company has a large international presence and easily one of the most recognized names, especially among the younger generations. Had you invested $10,000 into this company exactly 20 years ago, with dividends reinvested, you will be sitting on a balance of $1,428,770.42 at a whopping 14,185.08% total return at an annual rate of 28.15%, leaving the poor S&P in the dust. Before I reveal today's company, if you're enjoying the content thus far and would like to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe. Thank you. So what company brought you the likes of Guitar Hero and Call of Duty? It is none other than Activision Blizzard. Situated in the communication services sector and a member of the S&P 500 index since 2015, Activision trades with the ticker symbol ATVI with a current market cap of around $53.5 billion, making it one of the largest video game companies in the world. With dividends being rare in the video game space, Activision stands out with a history of paying dividends for the last 10 years. Also rare is the frequency, with ATVI paying out only once a year, compared to other companies paying out 4 times a year. ATVI has a current dividend yield of 0.59% at a very low 14.93% payout ratio and an excellent compound annual growth rate of 13.09% over the last 5 years. A very nice bonus when investing in this innovative company. Activision's nearly $6.5 billion in revenue is broken up into 3 reportable segments. Also, something we will consider today is the monthly active user count, which is a key metric when looking at overall popularity of any one segment. Focusing primarily on video game consoles, the Activision publishing segment makes up 38% of overall revenue. With the main focus on the Call of Duty franchise, this segment currently holds 31% of all monthly active users. With their largest monthly active user base at 61% of all users, the mobile platform focused King Digital Entertainment segment makes up 34% of overall revenue. With all games free to play, revenue is generated through in-game purchases and ads. A notable game in the segment is Candy Crush, making up only 8% of the user base, but generating 28% of revenue. The Blizzard Entertainment segment is the standout among the 3 from an investor perspective, primarily generating revenue through their game subscriptions, sales, and their online gaming service, Blizzard Battle.net. Now, let's see how the company fared in the dot-com bubble crash, the Great Financial Recession, and how it's currently trading during the downturn in 2020. During the dot-com bubble crash, ATVI fell 70.37%, compared to the S&P's 50.41% decline, checkmark for the S&P. During the Great Financial Recession, ATVI fell 57.77%, compared to the S&P's 57.61% decline, nearly identical drops. Most recently in 2020, ATVI fell 21.71% compared to the S&P's 35.59% decline. ATVI falling less than the S&P and not only recovering, but also climbing much higher in a short period of time. Activision is headquartered in sunny Santa Monica, California, with 9,200 employees worldwide, helping facilitate its global reach. Activision has been led by longtime CEO Bobby Kotick since 1991. Kotick has done a stellar job, leading Activision from a failing video game company to worldwide prominence. His greatest accomplishment was a merger with Blizzard in 2008, with then Blizzard owners Vivendi, a French company. At that time, Kotick chased Vivendi to acquire their crown jewel, World of Warcraft. A deal that took 2 years to complete has proven to be very beneficial to shareholders. Looking at the stock performance with Kotick at the helm, ATVI has been on a tear. If we start with their IPO price on October 24, 1993, we see a capital appreciation of over 11,000%. The Vanguard Group yet again leads all institutional shareholders at 7.84%, but this time, BlackRock coming in at 4th, with Capital International and FML taking 2nd and 3rd place. In my opinion, Activision Blizzard has cemented itself on the world stage and among the younger generations with their award-winning games. Though volatile during past recessions, it is proving to be resilient in the present. Throw in the dividend, and you have a very enticing stock even at current levels. With the rise of esports and the growing usage of smartphones, Activision is in prime position to grow this decade. If you are looking to add a position in the communication sector, ATVI is well worth a second look. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on Activision. As always guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, Stock Ninja out. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before buying or selling any stocks seen in this video. Thank you.